What is going on YouTube? Jeff Wybo here, and behind me here is 31 apartments that I own, and also there's one restaurant, so it's a 32 unit building, and I'm going to take you around and show you it and show you how I did stuff and some of my strategy here. So we're in downtown where I live here, and every single one of these here, we're not going to disturb them, but it's an apartment, a little studio apartment. And if you are coming to our city for a specific reason, you're gonna rent from me here because I provide you with a bed and also the internet, and I've been able to get the rents up. So sometimes you have to renovate a unit to get it up to the market value, but other times you can take a look at a building that's for sale and you're able to say, you know what, it's mismanaged right now. I can get in there and I can increase the rent. Now you see, because there's so many units here and it's so clean, I knew what I could do up here. You provide a furnished unit with the internet, TVs in all the units, and people coming from out of town are gonna pay big money. And the best thing too, we still got Christmas, but they're not gonna stay here forever. Therefore, I can continue to raise the rent when they leave upon turnover. So when I started and I owned this building, a lot of the rents were around $700, but from my student rental days, knowing how to be a landlord with student rentals, I knew that they'd pay $700 for a room and live in a 5-bedroom house, so that all 5 people were paying $700. Therefore, if you give them an entire suite to themselves, they're gonna be paying a lot more to you. So we've got the rent up originally to $1,000. So every single unit is $1,000, and now it's even getting closer to $1,100 now. When I first bought it, again, the rent roll was around $600, $700, but that's just one way you can do it with actually minimal renovations. It's just better strategy, better management. Check out this foyer. So this will be the very last thing that I want to do in this building. Now that I got all the units here, and there's extra units over here, up to the 1,000, if not 1,100 now in the rent roll, I want to actually make this into some kind of a, TV room, games room, not this old folks thing that it's looking like, but it's just such a cool open space here. We could wall off right here so it's quiet for those people over there still, get them better doors, whatever we have to do. And this can kind of be like a hostel, or since we're in the downtown area here, a lot of people get Uber Eats and a lot of the takeout, but there's no vending machine here, and there's some good YouTube channels about vending machines, and I thought, what better place here? People want pop and chips at night, maybe can add to the income and get that pop and chip money. It's not gonna, make the property that much more valuable, but it's a nice amenity to the tenants. The more amenities I can provide to the tenants, the higher rent they will actually sign the lease for. So this is the building here. We originally bought it at 2.7 million, around there, and now it's been appraised at $4.4 million, and we didn't have to spend that much in actual renovations. What it really needed was better management. So getting the rent rolls up through strategic things, like I said there, it's kind of like that hybrid Airbnb model where you provide them with a bed and a TV and internet and everything, and they will actually sign the lease for hire. Because if I had to move to another city, I don't want to have to go furniture shopping. I just want to come to that city, do what I got to do, go to school, whatever it is, and leave. Okay, I don't want to have to try to sell my bed afterwards. So that's what we've been able to do, raise the rent roll. And the really cool part, as they are leaving the building, there's actually a restaurant here. And they can go to the restaurant, and the restaurant is our tenant. So another amazing amenity for the actual residential tenants. They can come down here, there's a bar and food. So I hope you guys learned something, and if you did, if you guys could do me a big favor and you guys could hit the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel to see more great content like this, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.